Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. A very quick question. Somebody asked me this question that what will be the output when you print this? It's looking really weird, but let's see, you print it like this: byte plus character minus integer plus long and then minus one, and storing inside the integer. What will be the output? So you just pause the video. Do not try in your Eclipse, and then what will be the output, just put it in the comment section. It will give you error, it will give you some number, it will give you some exception, or it will give you some runtime error or some exception on the console. So let's see who gives the right answer. So now I'm going to run it, and then let's see what will be the output. So when I run it, the output is 1, guys. So it will not give you any error or any exception, no compile time error. It's giving you 1. It will be compiled, guys. So why we are getting 1 over here? See this is a unary operator, and what will happen that long minus 1. So long minus 1, first of all minus 1 will be casted into long, so it will become a long minus 1, and this long minus 1 will be converted into integer. So the execution will happen here. In this case, it will start from right to left. So long minus 1 means we are converting this minus 1 to long. It will become minus 1, okay, and then minus 1 plus is equal to minus 1, and then it will become integer minus 1, then integer minus 1, then minus, it will become plus 1 over here, and then finally it will give you character 1. Character 1 is equal to 1 only, and then it will be like this: byte 1 is equal to 1. So output will be I is equal to 1 over here, right? So I'm going to run it again, and then the output is 1. If you really want to segregate, so I'll do one thing. See, I'm simple writing system.out, or let's see, I'm just printing one statement here, which is integer j is equal to, I'll do one thing, what will be the output only for this section, right? Let's see, writing this one. So in this case, system.out.println, what will be the output of j? So long minus 1 will be converted into long, typecasted into long, and then plus is a unary operator. It will not impact anything. So now ultimately this entire section will be minus 1, and then integer minus 1 will give you minus 1 over here. So the value of j will be minus 1 here. So let me run it. It's giving you minus 1. So what we have seen, from here to here, it will become minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So now this will become character 1. So I'll do one thing now. I'll be printing the value of char 1. So I'll put a bracket over here. And what will be the value of character 1? The value of character 1, if you write it, it will be 1 only. So when you run it, the value of j is equal to 1. It means till here we have achieved 1. Then what will be the value of byte 1? This is a unary operator once again. It will not impact anything. Now what will be the output if you write byte 1 over here? So still here we have got what? 1. So byte 1 will be what? So byte 1 will be 1 only. So here you can see 1. So that's why the final output for I is also equal to 1. So this is the output for this program. Somebody asked me, and then it was an online interview question, and they have to solve it. There were multiple options, and one was the right answer for that. So this is the solution for this question, guys. I know this is a little weird question, a weird behavior, but this is what Java will give you the output for that. So that's all for this particular video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.